I got rid of the green leaf, installed the deck system. It's a great system. There's these rails where you can lock in anchors, works great. The side pouches and the ammo boxes. Shelving is great. This one's for the material, other one's for the tools. When the key works. They're huge, long. This one's kind of messy right now, but no more worrying about people trying to steal your shit.